good morning guys! Kumusta tayong lahat? Ngayong araw, pupunta kami ng Batters at pupuntahan namin yung Batters Winters Festival. So, tingnan natin guys kung ano yung makikita natin doon guys. So, it's our second time. Pupunta kami nung last year. So, baka iba naman ngayon yung makikita guys doon sa festival nila. So, ayan. Siyempre, kasama natin si Mami, si Gabi, and si Nana. So, yan. So, samahan nyo kami guys at tuklasin natin kung ano yung makikita natin doon. So, let's go! Yan guys, nasa daan na kami kaso inabutan kami ng ulan guys. So, tinignan ko yung weather kanina guys. Ayos naman. Pero ngayon, pakulimlim, pagi pa. Anyway, continue kulimlim tayo guys. Ayan guys, noong malapit na kami sa Batters, hindi na rin umulan doon at umaraw na rin. Kaya maganda. Maganda pa rin yung timing natin guys.
At the roundabout, continue straight on the Great Western Highway, Stewart Street.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Batters Winters Festivals area. So yan. Ayun. Punta na tayo guys.
Ice skating.
Buti umaraw. Kanina umuulan. Buti umaraw na. So ayan, let's go guys. Ang daming tao din. Ayan. Si Mami. You wanna ride?
No.
Ayan guys. Ayan. What do you wanna ride, Gabi?
Ice skating.
Ice skating? You want to ride there? May mga iba't ibang rides guys.
But it's not open.
Ayan. Wala pang nagra-rides. Maaga pa siguro. Ayan. What kind of rides this one? Ayan. Meron ding silang palaruan dito. Every player wins. Gagamit ka lang ng gun, tirahin mo yan. At kung may matira ka, mananalo ka. Ayan, meron din rides doon. Hello! Yeah, may Belayda? Huh? I will try that one. Can I try? How much this one?
It's 10, 20, 5 to 20.
5 balls, 20. And 2 balls, 10. I'll just get 2. Ayan guys, mag-shoot tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Get one in, you get anything from the back.
Yeah. Almost.
No.
Yeah. Wala guys, hindi tayo pinalad. Almost lang. Jumping castle yan guys. So. Ayan. Ayan guys. Maraming pwedeng paglaruan dito. Maganda sa mga chikiting natin guys para mag-enjoy sila. Mas maganda ngayong taon guys kesa noong pumunta kami ng last year. At maraming rides ngayon. Ito. This is a Royal Carousel guys. Royal Carousel. Yan. Pakpak. Meron siyang pakpak guys. Oh. Bata. Lalaro sila. Ayan. Hollywood Drive guys. Ito yung Hollywood Drive. Ayan guys, punta tayo sa may ice skating. Daming tao. Ayan. Konti pa yung tao. Subukan na. Subukan natin guys. Do you want Gabby? Gabby, do you want to round? Okay. So ayan guys, gusto ni Gabby mo sumakay, so punta na tayo. Punta tayo sa magbabayad tayo guys. So, yeah, let's go! Yan. Baka mauntok na naman ako dyan eh. Sinubukan ko yung last year. Madulas, mahirap guys. Masakit sa paa, pero we'll try it. Hello? Can I get one adult and one kid?
Yes, so the next session is at 11 o'clock.
Yep,
If
sure.
you're happy for that?
Yep.
So we're going an adult.
Yep.
Perfect. Now get you to scan this safety waiver here.
Ayan, mag-scan tayo guys.
Yep, perfect. You're right to grab your skates.
Come on. Tingin na tayo ng size ng shoes. Ayan, lagay na natin yung skate shoe natin guys. Mayang 11 pa. So, sukat natin guys. Para sigurado mamaya.
Heart? Is it heart? Bigger one?
Can I see it? You walk? Wow. Good, huh? Ayan guys, hintayin natin. 11 pa yung appointment natin doon. So, maghintay lang tayo guys. Largahin na natin. Subukan natin doon. Sana hindi tayo matumba guys. Mahirap na matumba doon. Masakit yun, matigas yun. Ay, tapos malamig pa. Ayan. Can I see yours? Ayan, si Gabi. Hi!
If you're ready, perfect. Right, step that way with the foot.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Really hard. Come on, help me, buddy. What? Yeah, it's hard. Really hard. Yeah. You like it? Oh, very slippery. You like it? Mommy is coming, yeah. They are here with mommy. Hello. Yes. Woo. Pagod guys. Pinawisan na ako guys. Yeah. I'm tired, Gabby. Wait. I'm tired. Wait, rest. I'm tired. My leg is pain now.
Uy, matulog ka na, wala ka.
Oh guys. Mahirap na guys, baka matumba. Uy, ah. Let's go now, enough? Enough. My leg is pain now. Oh, very tired.
You want more?
Ngayon tayo. Kaya pawawisan ako guys, oh. Ang daming tao guys, oh. Ayan. Let's go somewhere in there. Outside. Lunch snacks. Yan guys. Okay. You wanna rides? Even just one there? You wanna rides there? Merong nagigitara dyan guys, oh. Mas malawak. You want paint face? Ayan guys, meron ding henna art dito. Oh, sasarap naman ang tinapay guys, oh. Ayan, mga iba't ibang bilihin dito. Mga accessories. Gabby. Gabby. Wow. Some dinosaurs in there. Dragon. Mga pang girls to. Mga honey. Yan. Different art. Ganito dito sa Australia guys, ito yung mga binibenta nila. Parang trade fair ba ito? Parang trade fair nila. Fiesta nila. Ayan, bumili si Gab ng paint niya. Oh. Ayan. Dinosaur pa rin. Yan, bumibili si Gabi para sa Crocs niya. Para sa Crocs ba to?
Oh.
Yes.
My name.
Well, you try your name. Yeah, Gabby. Ayan, mga sweets naman dito. Ayan, mga marshmallow. Ayan, tipo elephant shop. Ang ganda, mga... Ayan. Goods. Mga scarf naman to, mga gloves. Wines of butters. Beer naman to. Beer. Ganyan yung bilihan ng beer guys. Oh. Ito naman. Mga damit. Gamits. Not again. Ayan. Where? Winter jacket. You want balloon? Yeah. You want?
Choose.
You want? Ayan. Ito lang yung mabibili guys. Sa peryahan, piyestahan dito. Pang dog naman to. Yun. Toys na naman to. Gabi!
What, Daddy?
Nothing. Antik, mga antik guys. Oh. Mga antik yun. Mga stones. Different stones. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo dito sa Winter Festival ng Batters. So punta naman tayo, kain na tayo guys. Saan kaya pwedeng masarap na kainan dito guys?
Ask Daddy where?
Where Gabi? Where do you wanna eat? Red Rooster? What is that? Is a red rooster chicken or ikan? Show nga rin ginatang mo. Wow. Okay, let's go to the Red Rooster and let's eat guys. Ayan guys, nasa Red Rooster na tayo. So umorder ako ng chicken at bumili din kami ng rice. Meron kasing Thai cuisine doon sa tabi. So bumili ako ng rice para kumain tayo ng fried chicken at rice dito sa Red Rooster. So yan, kung chicken lang kasi guys, alam mo na mga Pilipino tayo guys, kailangan natin ng rice para masarap ang kain. So iniintay ko na lang yung order ko dito. So umorder na ako at iniintay ko na lang yung chicken. Ayan guys, finally nakuha na namin yung order namin. Nagka-problema doon sa pag-order ng machine guys. Naghang yung unang binayaran ko. So ayan. Kaya nagbayad ulit ako. Sabi nila ibabalik daw nila yung unang transaction. So hopefully nagutom na kami. Isang oras na kami naghihintay dito guys. Anyway, at least nandito na. Kain na tayo guys. O yan, may kanin kami. Oh. Kasi kahit masarap yung chicken, kung walang kanin, chicken nila guys. Oh. Diba? Nagutom na guys. Sarap ng pancit. Yung chicken dito guys talagang karami na pancit. Ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain. Dito na kami sa Big W. Magsha-shopping daw si Gabi. What are you gonna buy in Big W, buddy? Lego? Do you have money? Ah. Oh. Dito sa Big W. May ATM din dito. Gabi's excited to go to Big W. I think. What is how much your budget today, buddy? How much your budget to buy toy? $50. All right. Oh, excited. You're running. Yan guys. So, sundan lang natin. Oh, very expensive, buddy. Yan, wala na siya guys. Iniwan na ako. Ah. What is it? You want the Star Wars? Daming klaseng Lego dito guys. Ayan, 72 yung Lion. What did you got, Lego? Can you show me? You want to build another style. Gabi is very smart, isn't it?
No? He's a soldier.
Yan guys, naka-sale na mga pang trabaho. $55, mahal, no? Yan. Mga pang trabaho dito sa Australia guys, ang mahal. Kasi dito required na orange or green yung uniform eh. We'll do shopping. What are you looking for? We'll do shopping guys. Ubos na naman ang budget ni Gabi. Nakakuha siya ng isang Lego at 2 book. So okay na yung $50 niya. Grip table. Gabi, you wanna buy this one? No. I will ride it. What is this? This is bluey. That's not good. Very expensive. Mahal pa na yun guys. Nung nakita ko yung presyo, wala na. Lagyan ng sapatos. Kano kaya presyo? Mahal kasi. Presyo niya. Special price. Yan, meron ding puti guys. Maganda to. Ang sapatos guys. Multi-purpose cleaner. Glass cleaner. Ano to? Mga Armor All na pang washing guys. Yan. May wax na din daw yan. Ewan ko lang. Ito mga sponge. Diba ibang klase. Susuk-suk mo lang yung kamay mo dyan. Meron din silang isang set. Ayan. Ayan na lahat oh. Merong Armor All Protectant, Armor All Wash and Wax, merong Armor All Large Sponge, Armor All All-Purpose Cloth, and Armor All Vanilla Air Freshener. So ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in 1 guys. Ayan. For only $25. Mura na. $25. What? Scooter. Yeah, you can buy that one.
3 wheels. Please,
Yeah.
he needs to upgrade.
Yeah, that's better.
This one, yeah? Or the pink one?
The pink one, mommy. I want the pink one scooter.
No. That's for girl.
You're a girl. Look at your hair.
I did not.
Gabby.
You want that one?
Hindi marag-rag. Dito babo. Naglaro na.
Ayan, no? Naglalaro yung mga batang matanda na.
I want this one, Gabby. Can I buy?
Yes.
Why?
$8.
Expensive.
No, cheaper.
Let's go and have a look. Please.
You say bibili ka ng blanket.
Kaya maghahanap tayo dito.
Buy blanket?
Here. Blanket ni Gabby. Oh, expensive. Very expensive. Ang mahal man. Come on, Gabby. Mumurahin lang. Single. Gabby.
This one. What's this?
Dito. Para kay Gab.
Yeah.
Please.
$10?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can afford that one.
For Gab.
Wow. Where did you get that one?
Here.
You know,
How is it?
flop.
Not floppy ka.
Why, you want the floppy one? Why not?
It's 35. Maybe this one.
Yeah, that one, the floppy one, the $15.
May nahulog.
I want a really floppy one, not a
Like yours. But it's very expensive.
You want the expensive one.
Let's find
Kasi
another one in
itong
the
bata
other
na to
side.
guys, hindi masyadong nagpapabili. Pero kung magpabili yan yung mga mahal, kahit yung pagkain niya,
Nakakita na naman niyo, money box daw. Tsaka itong
mga mahal
red
ang gusto
table
niya.
lamp. Oh, there is.
Wow, that one!
But that's small.
I want it.
Too small.
I want the money box.
You have already open tayo yun.
But it can't off my one can't open.
Yeah, that one, that's good for Gabi.
Yeah.
Oh, you want it? Oh, go away. Don't know how to fix.
Yeah, fine.
You want this one? Huh? Or we will leave? Leave it?
That one. It was awesome.
Awesome. Ni?
Gabi looks like
Oh, you're looking at the Minecraft
kapehan,
now.
no?
Huh?
Yan. What journey.
There's
Mabi.
also onyx. Yaxolotl. I can see onyx.
Yun.
May Minecraft dun sa baba ko. Can I have a look at that one? No, not that one. That's veggie. That one.
Where?
Dinosaur.
Yay!
I want this one for Gabi.
Yeah, I want it too.
Don't push me ba. Oh.
Mommy, at the
I
top. Much better.
Wow.
Yeah, that's one. That's better.
I crazy.
Yeah, that's
It's
better.
baby. Baby,
Yeah.
Gabby's baby.
But
Eto.
what is it?
Don't know if how much. That one.
Gabby, wake me up when we go home. Come on. They will angry to us. Kill Tabo for $19 only. And soup for $18 only.
Show it to daddy na. How
What
much this one? No, we need to let's leave this one. No, it's not. Oh, Legos. Oh, this one, Gabi.
Yeah, you gonna use that globe?
Wow, discover people, places, animals, and much more with over 5 hours of video from the BBC. Play 3 exciting
I want that.
99 oh, that's too much money.
Wala. Tara na. Let's pay.
Ayan guys, magbabayad na tayo. Magkakaalaman na guys kung magkano yung babayaran namin. We'll go to the counter. Ayan. Magkakaalaman na. Are you happy? What you got? Yan, hawak-hawak na niya. Baka iwan na naman namin eh. Kaya sinigurado na niya guys. Oh. Hindi niya binitawan. Yan, like $89. Thank you very much. Uwian na. Uwian na. Yan.
He wants to go to a different shop.
Oh, again.
Where?
Different shop. Ayan o. So mo magpagawa ng nails mo. Ayan, nail shop. Nasa labas na tayo ng Big W guys. Yes.
We need to go to Wally's.
Wallace again.
Yeah.
Ito yung Wallace guys. Lapit lang. Ito yung Donut King. Donut King guys. Oh, iba-ibang donut. Ayan. Ayan, muffin break. Sarap. Pasarap na, no? Mga muffins. Nagutom ako.
Daddy, did you want to eat food?
Yeah, I was looking for drinks.
Did you want to buy food?
No, it's not a food. I want to buy drink.
What?
What drinks do you want?
Ew. I like only normal water.
Mineral water?
Yeah.
Normal water? Oh,
Yeah.
Ito naman yung Kmart.
I'm making a dinosaur family.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make it.
Oh, there's Musa.
You know how to do it.
Yeah, and I don't have.
I trust you, so you can do it.
I can.
Yan guys.
What's your favorite page? Look, there's
I think the
dinos.
first page.
Oh, look. What? Which one's your favorite? This one, this one.
I think this one.
What? I want this one.
Why?
How about the next page? What? I like this
I
one.
want this one.
What is that?
Cantosaurus.
That did not.
What is it?
The Parasaurolophus.
Persolopus. Okay.
Which one's your favorite? I like this one.
I want the Ankylosaurus.
That was gross.
Ay, sinaantok na ako guys.
The
Kaya
T-Rex
lang natin
look.
sila guys and maybe
That the
bili tayo
T-Rex
ng
look.
inom. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-shopping guys. Hapon na rin, mga 3 p.m. na. So, magka-travel pa kami pa uwi ng 1.5 hour. So, yan. Medyo kagabihin na kami sa daan. Kasi ngayong dito sa Australia guys, mabilis na magbili. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel namin guys, please subscribe. GC Videos in Australia. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.